What's up, YouTube? It's your boy G Woody here, coming at you on this beautiful day. Well, you know, I'm sure it's got to be beautiful somewhere, right? Anyway, it's been raining since yesterday, and yesterday I had this brilliant idea to go make a banger video. I was gonna pick up my girlfriend. You know, since it's raining, can't really do anything exciting, and she's ridden in my car I don't know how many times, so she's used to the power. But I was like, could do some donuts, do some drifts, get a reaction to that. So I was like, let's go. So I pull up, pick her up, start recording. Well, my GoPro decided to have other ideas, and after about a minute of recording, not even lying, like 59 seconds I think the video was, it just stops. It doesn't turn off, it isn't dead, anything like that, it just stops recording. There's nothing on the SD card. It says it has like an hour left of recording. It's only like a 8 gig or something, I don't know, something real small. So I'm like, what's going on? So I start recording again. About 2 minutes later after that one, it just stops again. Haven't gotten any good footage of me doing anything except for driving. So I was like, whatever, I'll start charging it, maybe it'll fix itself. Luckily, at the end of the day, at night, I was able to get like a 3-minute video, not even that, I think it was like 2.5 minutes of me doing some donuts and stuff. Nothing real exciting. It also has very bad quality because I have the GoPro Hero 3. So 3 years old, it's probably why it won't work right for me. So yeah, like I was saying, real bad quality. I had to actually turn my lights on the interior of my car just so you could see. So that also makes it uglier of a video, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, it's still pretty funny to see how she reacts. So hope y'all enjoy the clip. It's really short. Wish I could bring more. Maybe I can get some more later. Maybe today. Maybe next time it rains. I don't know. Probably gonna have to get a new GoPro. I mean, I know I need one. Like I said, it's the Hero 3. So yeah, I'll get ordering a new GoPro, bring out some more videos. Until then, I'm going to be recording on my parents' DSLR, which I know is going to be much better quality, but I'm not going to be able to get any like action shots or anything like that. But don't worry, I'll keep the content coming for you. Anyway, hope y'all enjoy this video.